Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making beef strips in the crock pot. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of beef strips. You're also going to need a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of adobo light seasoning or the seasoning of your choice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and also a 13-ounce bag of Campbell's sauces for the slow cooker. I'm using the Tavern style for pot roast, but instead of the pot roast, of course, I'm using the beef strips. Okay guys, first thing you want to do is go ahead and start to season your meat. I'm just going to put all my seasonings in the bowl. Then all we're going to do is mix everything together and then get our crock pot. So all you want to do is combine all your seasoning. Make sure your meat is well coated. Okay guys, once your meat is thoroughly coated, all you want to do is put it into the crock pot and put your sauce over top. All I'm going to do is move the meat around in the sauce so it's all coated. And then we're going to put the crock pot, on high for 3 hours. Now you can put your lid on. See you guys back in 3 hours. Okay guys, it's been 3 hours. And here you have it. Our beef strips are done and they're very tender. I'm just going to give that a stir. Okay guys, so here you have it. Beef strips cooked in the crock pot in a Tavern style gravy. The beef strips are extremely tender. They taste delicious. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please come back and please like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.